I'm Joanna Reynolds with Pink Cactus Studio, and today we're going to paint the Magic Snowy Night. You're going to need a blue, a teal, a white, a black, a yellow, and like a light green. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so I messed up and I have to start over. Put the black background down first and see if that works better.
So just go ahead and start by painting the background black, but leave a little valley down at the bottom for the white snow, and then paint that in with white, and then add blue to just the tops of the snow caps, and then blend it in with white. It'll add some texture back there. It'll make it look nice and fun, not so flat. And then just blend that in with white. And keep blending until you're happy with it. And then dry that. And then with blue, you're gonna make this long swoop down at the bottom. You're coming in from the left, swooping around to the left as well. And then just sort of feather that out and make it a little bit thicker. You can add another curve here. And then the next swoop's gonna come in from the right and swoop around to face the right. And then the left again. And then fill that in, and then we're gonna do one more swoop coming in from the left, swooping over to the right, and then back to the left. And just sort of let these fit together and fill them in with these extra feathery lines. And then you're gonna make this light blue, so you're mixing white and blue, and you're making this light blue, and you can fill this in these swooshy areas wherever you'd like. Go ahead and make sure each one is taken care of. And then you can add some light green. This sort of adds some magic into the air. And you can put these wherever you want. You can make, wherever it feels right, add a light green. And nobody can tell you can't add light green there. And then I just keep adding light green to all of it. So just have fun with it. It'll be okay. And then do the same with some teal. And then let that dry again. So the trees, you're gonna do 2 trees on the left, one tall and then one shorter. And then to make the branches of the tree, you just start on the trunk that you just did and swoosh down and out, down and out. It's a little flick of the wrist, down and out, over and over and over again. And then at the bottom, you just do that same thing, but just sort of bring it forward, down, and then to the left. And then down and out, down and out, down and out. Swooshes, little wrist movements here. And you kind of want it nice and pointy up top and then a little bit wider as you get to the bottom. And then do that with the second tree. And then add a third tree over here to the right and do the same down and out motion with that tree. Let those dry. Then we're gonna add the flocking to these trees. So you're just going down to the left and then down forward and then down to the right. Left, down forward, and then to the right. And you're making these like layers of the tree, but I suggest starting from the bottom and working your way up so you have some layers that are in front of the others. Now with this tree, make sure you leave some black space between the 2 trees so that you can see that there's 2 trees there. And again, start at the bottom and then work your way up. So you're going left, down to center, over to right. And then we're gonna add some stars up into the night sky. So it's like the letter T. I suggest a longer tail at the bottom, but that's totally up to you. And then you're gonna crisscross in between the T parts. And if you start in the center and work your way out, you can get a thicker to thinner look. and then one more up here in this space. And then you're going to start adding dots. This is the snow. This is going to go everywhere you did swooshy lines, but the thing is there's going to be tons of them. You're going to do smalls, you're going to do mediums, you're going to do a little bit like large medium, but not too big. But you're just going to keep dotting everywhere and just keep going until you can't add any more dots, and then add some more. I think you should add lots and lots of little small ones. And then you can add some yellow as some little highlights into the sky. Make sure you add yellow into the stars, and then we're gonna add yellow into the trees. And then you wanna start blending that yellow in with some more white, so it's not just so stark yellow on top. You just blend it in with some white. And then add yellow down here onto the ground on both sides and blend those in with white as well. Now I decided to go back and added some dark blue into the sky. I felt like it was too green, and so I'm bringing back the blue. So I'm just putting this in places that feel like it's maybe too light, and then I'm just darkening it up with that blue. And it's okay if they go on top of stars or it even smears some of the stars. You can always go back on top and rework those stars, or just leave it smeary. I think that's magical. And there you have it. Isn't she beautiful?
Thank you so much for painting with me today. I had a wonderful time. I can't wait to hear how you thought about it. And check out our other videos. Like and subscribe, and we'll be back. Bye.